How to use Google Voice for international calls. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your computer and go to voice.google.com. Make sure you are signed in with a Google account that has Google Voice activated. Next, click on the call section from the left sidebar. Here you can either dial a number directly or select a contact from your list. To make an international call, type the country code first. For example, +44 for the UK, +91 for India, followed by the full number you want to reach. Before placing the call, check that you have enough Google Voice credit as international calls are billed according to Google Voice rates. You can add credit from the payments or billing section in your account. Once ready, click the call button to connect. Your international call will go through Google Voice, making it easy to communicate globally. Now you know how to use Google Voice for international calls. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.